Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete McAfee Antivirus. So if this video helps, subscribe, really supports me. So what you need to do is click on search and just type in McAfee, click on uninstall here, and now it's gonna show your installed apps. Just click on search apps here. As you see I have it, so then search for McAfee. Now if you click on these three dots and click on uninstall. This app and this now search now click on uninstall. It's gonna bring you to McAfee. And then yeah, you can select Y and click on send. And yeah, now click on remove. And now it should like load a bit, but that's so if this video helps